If you're anything like me, sometimes it's easy to forget you need to do certain things, and with the new journal app, I really want to give it a go and update it regularly, but I do find myself forgetting quite often. Well, there's actually a simple solution for this. All we need to do is jump into the Settings app and then scroll down till we reach Journal. From here, we're then going to go on to Journaling Schedule, and we can choose what day of the week and what time we want to be reminded at. For me, I'm going to set a reminder for every day at 8 PM in the evening. Then, when the time comes around, I'll get a little notification on my phone reminding me to add to my journal. Tapping this alert will take me straight into the journaling app, and then from here I can either write my own manual entry, or I can tap the magic wand button to find a suggested one that I want to type out. I find this to be a nice gentle nudge to remind me to add something into my journal. It's very low stakes, it doesn't matter if I miss anything, but it is nice to have that reminder.